Hi there! Do you know that a lot of students are facing a lot of challenges academically? Meet John. John is so scared about mathematics. Anytime John sees his mathematics teacher, he will find a way to run. He's willing to jump out of the school window because of mathematics. John and mathematics are like a cat and a mouse. Meet Anna. She's a very serious student. Anna spends most of her time reading, but during exam time she will always forget what she learned. Anna always comes out with poor results. She felt downhearted because all of her hard work seems to be in vain. There are a lot of students facing this kind of challenge worldwide, and you can help solve the problem. Yes, you! With the help of BS Academy, you can help in solving these problems, and that will also make you a millionaire in a very short period. How's that possible? BS Academy has created a system where people like Tom and Anna can stay in their rooms and learn comfortably. With BS Academy's Mathematics Made Simple, John can now stay in his house and learn mathematics the easy way. He is no longer afraid of maths. John can now meet his teacher like a boss. What about Anna? BS Academy's Learning to Learn program has helped Anna to learn the right way and not to forget again. She's now happy making good grades. How did John and Anna find BS Academy? It's me, yes, it's me, and my name is Tom. That's my car and my beautiful wife. I'm making $5,000 plus every month by helping students to solve their academic problems. You see, in order to start learning in BS Academy system, you need an access code called a voucher, and you can sell it to make a lot of money. Actually, you don't even need to sell the vouchers yourself. So what do you get for selling BS Academy vouchers? You get 19% on all vouchers you sell, and some of the vouchers are reoccurring, meaning your students will buy it every week, monthly or quarterly. There are general vouchers, quiz vouchers, specialty course vouchers, advanced course vouchers, and many more. If you sell 800 copies of specialty vouchers, you earn more than $2,000 and qualify to take an interest-free loan of $2,800 or a grant option of $840 from BS Academy. How can you actually make money helping students to improve? You can make money in 3 simple steps. 1. Buy BS Academy vouchers from our agents or online. 2. Recruit at least 4 marketers. 3. Your marketers sell your vouchers for you while you sleep. As simple as that. Assuming your marketers sell an average of 10 vouchers each per day, you will sell 4 times 10, which equals 40 a day, which equals 1,200 vouchers in a month, which will put more than $2,000 in your pocket and also qualify to apply for an interest-free loan of $2,800 or a grant option of $840 from BS Academy. What about 10 active marketers? We're talking about 3,000 vouchers sold in a month. That'll put more than $5,000 in your pocket with a qualification to take a loan of $10,000 or a grant of $3,000. Your earnings are not limited. You can earn as much as you like. Join BS Academy now and smile with John and Anna.